Hey guys, with me today are the Nothing Ear 2s. Are these the AirPod killers? I'm gonna do a quick unboxing and first impressions video. Let's get right into it. So one of the cool things about this was when I ordered it, I actually ordered it early enough to get a special gift. Now I don't know what it is, but let's check it out. Okay, so I guess it's a hat. I love hats, so thank you so much. I'm definitely going to be wearing this one. And I think these are stickers. I'm going to try and open it. Yeah, so just one sticker. Awesome. Thank you so much. Okay, let's get right into it. Okay, so just based on the box alone, look at those aesthetics. It's so cool. Okay. So it looks like there's a little tab. I love these because, just the experience of it. Wow. You can tell how much thought they put into the packaging and the experience of it just on the way it's designed. And I think that's something that they do really well. Okay, so it says right here, scan the QR code to install Nothing X, the app itself. I'm not going to do that right now, but I'm just going to show you guys what's actually inside the contents of this box. So we have the user guide, safety information, and warranty information. These are really cool. Just the way they feel and the way it looks. I don't know. It's just cool. Okay, the next part is the one that everyone's actually interested in, and it's the product itself, the earphones. So let's get right into it. Okay, wow. Cool. So I think this right here is the charging case along with the earphones. Now I didn't own the first iteration of these, but I had a friend who did, and I did get to check it out. And these are definitely smaller. And I think that's good. I think that's really good because one of the most common critiques I heard from people who owned this last set was that they were really big. And so I think the fact that they listened to their customers and they changed it is really cool. Wow. Check these out. Okay. So this right here are the sets. And like, look at the quality of these. Not just on the aesthetics alone, but you can tell that the quality is really nice. And I think it's really cool that they made this case magnetic, but not just like the way the AirPods have them, but with these like little metal sides and how it's color coded so that you know where to actually put the correct one on each side. This is really cool. Is there anything else inside this box? Oh, okay, cool. So also have a set of ear tips, small and large. Is really nice because I actually run closer towards the large size. So I think I will have to definitely thank them for including these, and I will put these to good use. And then it looks like we have right here a cable. So it's a USB-C type cable. Check it out. Simple, sturdy. Not the longest piece of cable, but it works. Okay. So there you guys have it. The Nothing Ear 2. Like I said, I'm going to do an in-depth review of this in a couple of weeks. So this is just the first impressions video. So there you guys have it, the Nothing Ear 2. You know, to be honest, based off first impressions, I don't know if these are going to be the AirPod killers, but it is a great product, and the aesthetics are just so unique that I think nothing has done an amazing job. But what do you guys think? Leave a comment down below and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.